It's 5 o'clock in the freaking morning, and guess who's V Live I just caught? I caught J-Hope's V Live. Oh, little stuff like that needs to be fixed. So, oh my god, look at J-Hope. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm sorry, y'all. Good morning, vlog. It is like 5:50 in the morning. So, as you guys can see by the title and stuff like that, this was gonna be my summer project paint with me vlog. Not vlog, well, paint with me video, whatever. Real quick, I'm gonna show you guys like the flaws in my room right now. If you guys haven't noticed already by my previous clean with me video, this is horrendous. I'm gonna tell you guys the whole story about this. Especially over here with the tape. There's lots of touch-ups to be made. Look at my freaking ceiling isn't even the same color. Like, it's just not it. Some scuffs and stuff on my wall. So little stuff like that needs to be fixed. So long story short, we're gonna be painting my room today. I'm gonna start early because I want to fix my sleeping schedule, and this is the only way I can think of how to fix it. Stay up, stay productive, and then, you know, knock out at least around 6 o'clock, 7 to 8. Yeah, that's why I might look a little like sleepy and tired throughout this video. So yeah, that was not cute. Okay, good afternoon, guys. So it's like literally the afternoon time. Am I stupid? Good morning, guys. So it is 10:02. I'm extremely exhausted because I'm trying to fix my sleeping schedule, so I'm like sleep depriving myself right now. Sorry if I sound like so like backed up and nasal. My nose wants to act up. It is Friday, July 8th, and I just uploaded my video. I just uploaded my pool video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I'll tag it somewhere up here so you guys can watch that. But today is a paint with me. This is my summer project. I've been needing to paint my room for so long. I already kind of did this intro and all that earlier this morning, but I didn't like it. And I know I was rushing because J-Hope was live, and you guys, if you know, stream BTS, I don't care what none of y'all say, BTS is life. I'm done with the BTS rant. But yeah, today's my paint with me. I've been meaning to paint my room for a few months now. I originally did it. I have a story time about like the whole painting thing, and I'd rather tell you guys while I'm painting so it won't be so like boring, y'all just watching me paint type ish. We'll see. But yeah, I'll show you guys the paints that really need work. These are the places that really need work. There's some scuffing here from when I tried to touch up this corner here, because this wall was already painted like months ago. But we got new doors and stuff. As you guys can see, the doors are like brand new. They still got like some tacking and stuff. We got doors done, so then it ripped like half my wallpaper off my wall. So then I had to freaking paint over it. But the paint I got was slightly darker. Y'all can see like the line. And then I like half bootleg painted my ceiling. Like I tried to touch up little corners from like it's a complete mess right now, y'all. It needs to get together. Let's not even talk about over here. Freaking, I tried to touch up the side of my room, and freaking, they gave me the wrong paint that was lighter than the original paint. So when I tried to touch it up, it came out like this. And my dumb self was all like, maybe if I just let it dry, it'll dry darker. No, babe, it looks a mess. Like the patchwork, and then let's not even talk. Okay. Okay, so with all that being said, hopefully I don't get any paint on my hair. I'm gonna tie it up because, oh, this light is so yellow. Okay, so hopefully I don't get any paint on my hair because I'm supposed to be filming a box braid video. Well, you guys will know because the video, well, actually no, this video will be out after this one. I'm so backed up on videos, I don't even know which one is coming before or after anymore. So, very soon, it's already getting pretty fuzzy because my bonnet came off 3 times in 2 days. But we can make it look cute, you know, it'll be alright. Is that I'm going to start with my ceiling first. I cover down my stuff. Start with my ceiling first, then move on to my walls. I'll see you guys when I'm painting. Alrighty guys, so welcome to another voiceover. Now, I already established early in the video that we were going to do a voiceover to tell you guys what happened with like the paint and all that. Don't talk about my duct tape. basically my whole inspiration for my room was that it was going to be gray and purple, and my bedroom set was going to be like this white, gray, and purple and stuff like that. But then I kind of, as time went on, I kind of trashed that whole like bedroom set, but I still wanted the colors, you know what I'm saying? My room was not purple because of BTS. I'm going to address that later. It is not. It could be, but it's not. The inspiration for my room was to be purple and gray and to have a matching bedroom set to go with the colors, but it just didn't work out that way, so you know, it is what it is. I painted my room back in 2020. We are currently in 2022. Yeah. I got lazy. People wasn't doing what they were supposed to do, and yeah. Anyways. Alrighty guys, so I put tape halfway around my room. Now, before y'all come for me, okay, for using duct tape, I went to buy painter's tape and Walmart didn't have any, and I didn't feel like going to the Walmart, so I wasn't the one driving, so I said F it and I got some duct tape, and I was like, it's thick, so why not? Whatever, I can use me some duct tape anyway, so I really couldn't care less. So yeah, I thought it, because it was like duct tape, but it was painter's tape, and it was thick, and I wanted that because, as y'all can see, like, from those kind of scuffs were because the paint that I had, that wasn't thick enough. So I was like, let me get thicker tape, you know, but I guess I should have, I didn't want to go to the Walmart, I'm sorry, so we're using duct tape, whatever, hopefully it lasts. Yeah. Oops, my camera's dying. But yeah, anyways, I'm going to go and mix my paint and then maybe get some tea. I had tea this morning, like you guys saw, I think. I don't know if I decided to put it in or not. If you did, you did. And I'm also going to, this is about it. I'm going to mix my paint, do all that, wrap up my hair. You guys are going to watch me do all these fun things, and then we're gonna start on the mini story time about the whole paint, blah 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 blah. Yeah. This girl, we already started, but anyway, y'all, she thought she was that girl. She thought she was cute, and I guess I was. Anyways, like I said, I painted my room back in 2020. We're currently in 2022. The whole reason it took so long is because, as you guys will see later in the video, the can of paint that I used, the purple one, I used a small can of paint because we're like, okay, like, do y'all see how small my room is? I've been living here since I was like 5. So, I mean, before it was perfect size, now it's too small, but we're moving, so I'm like, okay, it's fine. You know what I'm saying? Even though it's like, I'm 16. It's fine, guys. The can of paint was small, so we thought, okay, you know, let's test out the color. And when we first tested it out, it was too bright, so we took it back to Home Depot and got it mixed to make it darker. Originally, it was the color Party Hat. It's a very like bright kind of neon purple, but before we left Home Depot, we got it toned down to like a darker color because we was like, okay, it's too bright for my room, because my room has, I feel like, has the most light in the house. It really does, and just like, she just shined through, you know what I mean? We went through hell to get it mixed. So then my mom, after we painted my first wall, the wall with my closet and my door, it used up most of the can of paint, so we're like, okay, like, maybe I'll have a little bit left. Yeah, ran out by the time I reached the second wall, so I was like, dang it, we need more paint, we need to buy another one. My mom was like, okay, we'll go to Home Depot and get another one. Baby, why are we in 2022 and we just ended up going to the store to get more paint? Like, if y'all could understand how my room was looking for a hot minute, it was a mess. I just needed one more can to finish the other side of my room, but no, it took you a whole year and a half. Like, come on, Miss Girl, come on. So we finally bought the other can of paint, but, you know, it wasn't the right color. So that's how my wall ended up looking jacked the F up, jacked. So I was like, dang it. But then I got lazy because I'm like, bro, like, it's not even working out. Like, I don't even want to go buy no more paint right now. So then we finally went a few weeks ago and bought more paint, because the first Home Depot we went to, they couldn't understand the like codes written on top of the paint can, but the second one we went to, she knew what it was. She did her job. That was Anna. Shout out Anna from Home Depot. She ate the girls up. BTS my main. guys, so I finished painting my ceiling off camera because my head and my neck and my arms are struggling. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. I finished painting my ceiling off camera because my neck, my head, my arms, everything was struggling. So we finished off camera. I'll show you guys that in a second. I'm gonna take a break, you know, let the top coat dry or whatever, and then we're gonna go back in with a second coat. Let that dry, peel off the tape, and then start with the wall. Okay, hey guys, so it is 3:27 right now. I finished with the ceiling. It's all one color now. Finished with the ceiling, you know what I'm saying? It's freshly painted. It's good. I'm gonna let this dry for till about 4:30, because it's 3:28 right now. Anyway guys, like I was saying, I'm gonna let it dry for a little bit. Guys, I didn't film again after painting because it was just a lot. I mean, I was like really scared to get paint on my camera. Like, I even got paint on my freaking dresser. Very impressed that I actually finished it today. So guys, look at the ceiling. It's one color, because it was one color initially, but it's really one color now. I'm not painting again after this though. Okay, hey guys, I just tuned in to Hyunjin's freaking V Live. Gotta stay tuned with Stray Kids too. It is 4:55. I left my window open to kind of let the room air out and dry a little faster. The ceiling is about dry. We're gonna check together. You know, it's paint, it's dry, it's 5 o'clock. Well, yeah, about to be 5 o'clock, so I waited longer than 30-45 minutes. My friend texted me about Stray Kids. Look. Because the ceiling's pretty much dry, we're going to take down the tape together, and then we're going to put up some more tape to touch up the wall, and we're going to mix the purple paint. So yeah, because I want to be finished by tonight. So yeah, I'm pretty sure we will be. I basically finished painting in one day because I was not waiting until tomorrow. I finished painting my whole room in one day, but I did record the rest of this footage the next day because I wanted to be sure it was dry or whatever. So I was like, okay, that's fine. But yeah, that's all the paint colors and stuff like that. The darker one is the one we got mixed, not the lighter one. And yeah, the paint honestly matched perfectly. What she told us was, because the other can that we had was still lighter, we had half a can, so they gave us like a new can of like the actual paint colors. So she said when you get it, mix both the colors together so they can even out, and I did that, and Miss Girl, she did that. And I still have extra paint left over, like a lot of it. I have a full can, so it's really good. I know it might look like I'm painting my wall, but I swear it's the tape. The tape was white, so it just, you know, get out. Alexa, pause. Alright guys, just checking back in. It is 6:30. I'm very glad I stayed up. I almost nodded off on the couch earlier, but I'm glad I stayed up because now I'm so exhausted and I will definitely fall asleep tonight. But as you guys can see, the progress we've made, it's all one color. The color matched perfectly. I want to give a shout out to Anna at Home Depot. That bitch, she hooked us up, bro. Probably won't finish till like 10 o'clock, only because like that includes like cleaning and redecorating and drying and all that, and getting like, you know, hidden spaces, because there is a hidden space behind my headboard that needs to be painted. This, like, it spans from like right there all the way to my vent, which is like right there. So yeah, last piece is this wall up there is drying. That's the last piece of the place, and then we'll see. But yeah, I will see you guys when I finish and my room is clear from like all this like old sheets and stuff like that. And then it's time to decorate. But yeah, now the paint matches and my room looks better than it did, and it's finally painted. Everything is one or two colors, and my ceiling is one color. So yay! Guys, I basically didn't even have enough camera space to keep recording after like this clip, so yeah, I basically ended the video here and used the footage from the next day to finish it up. But yeah, but that's kind of the end of this voiceover, so see y'all later. Hey Hey guys, so sorry if you guys hear my annoying sister in the back who really wanted this own. It is currently 9:25. And I finished painting around like 35 minutes ago. I finished around like 8 something. So we're officially done painting. I don't have my bed and my computer pushed back fully yet because I'm like, I know the wall's like dry, but you know. And we're just doing some cleaning now. This is stuff I have left. Stuff, you know, in another room to put back in here. Just like little stuff. And yeah, I have to film this video fast because I still have, you know, paint all over me. Still could be because it's purple. Before y'all say it, my room is not purple because of BTS. Now that I think about it, it can be purple because of BTS, but that's not the reason. So yeah, but overall, I will see you guys tomorrow when everything's done. Who knows? Thank you guys for watching. Listen to my voiceover. I will see you guys in the next video as always. Peace and love. Bye. Mwah.